Today I will show you how to make bracelets with memory wire, and I've done these simple ones. This is just a random seed mix that I bought online, a 10-row bracelet. These have different colors and it's very simple to make with a ready-made bead mix. And I also made this other simple ones. This is a 5-row bracelet with just pink beads and lots of charms on. Very simple to make. But today we're going to make a different one. I'm going to use some rondelles and some small bicones, some silver spacer beads in 2 shapes. I'm also going to use this jewelry tube and some memory wire. So first you need your jewelry wire, and I make this a bit longer because I'm not planning on having a clasp on it. So I'm just going to take a little bit more than 1 row off. And I'm just going to place my beads out so that I know in what order to string them on, so I don't mess up. So I'm just going to start, I'm going to have this in the middle, so I'm just going to string this up. Place this fairly in the middle. Just put it down like that. And I'm going to take my tube and just measure how much I think I'm going to have. Like that. And then just cut it off. Split it in the middle to get quite the same length. Now I'm just going to string this tube on to see how it fits. And that tells me I have to cut some piece off. I did a bad job in measuring. Now when you have your tubes, you just take one and you put it on. Slide it down a little bit because you're gonna add some end beads here. There you go. Just push it a little bit further because you're gonna make a loop here at the end. Gonna help it to close a bit here. Like that. Then you push your bead back like that. Then you take the other tube and put it on. Give it a good push so this will be tied up at the end. And then you put your end beads on. There you have it. And since you see this is a little bit too long to make a loop, you have to trim it a bit. And as usual, I never use the right cutter, but you should, because this is getting a little bit destroyed. Maybe it is still a little bit long, I don't know. I'll just give it a try. Now you make your end loop. We're going to help it close the last part, so the bead stays on there, don't fall off, and there you have it. I have very small wrists though. Kind of look nice. You can make all sorts of variations with this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.